The winter solstice isn't just the shortest day of the year, it's one of the strangest. Portals, ancient secrets, eerie phenomena. What could it all mean? Hello, my lovely friends, and welcome to Freaky Friday. For thousands of years, cultures across the world have celebrated the solstice as a powerful turning point, marking the return of light. Ancient monuments like Stonehenge align perfectly with the winter solstice, and some believe that this day holds the key to unlocking otherworldly energies, maybe even portals to another dimension. So today I'm going to be using my Starman Tarot, as we usually do for this Freaky Friday. And we are going to ask the questions about the winter solstice mysteries. And lots of people speak of lights in the skies, and they whisper of dark spirits roaming the longest night of the year. So could the winter solstice be more than just a celestial event? Could it be a doorway to something even stranger? Today we're going to try to uncover these mysteries, and let's see what this ancient night might reveal. I'm just going to do one more shuffle. One more little shuffle here, if I can. Okay. So I usually ask about 6 questions, and let's cut. So let's ask these questions here. Does the winter solstice open to a portal to another dimension? Move these up a little here. So does the winter solstice open a portal to another dimension? Let's see. The 5 of Cups in reverse. I'm trying to make that word not so glary there. So the 5 of Cups is like, this would be crying over spilt milk, kind of a normal reading. But I asked, does the winter solstice open a portal to another dimension? And this is like, because the 5 of Cups upright would be, you know, like you're not paying attention to what you still have, but you know, you're looking at what you lost. But with the Starman Tarot in reverse, I think this is opening to another dimension. It's like another realm. You can see can you see that? That's like lightning, and this is an emotional card, but it's, I mean, and look, it kind of looks like it's going through a portal, doesn't it? Can you see that? I can't. It kind of looks like a portal, doesn't it? So, and that looks kind of like a whirlpool, like you're going to go down into another portal or something. And look at that hand coming out of there. But in reverse, to me, it's maybe somebody coming through. I would say yes. I would say a portal to another dimension, because those two things right there look to me like a portal. So what secrets are encoded in the ancient winter solstice aligned monuments? Like, for instance, Stonehenge and any other of the monuments, the ancient monuments that might be made for a solstice. What secrets are encoded in the ancient monuments? Look at that, guys, the alien. Now that is usually the hermit, but it is upright. So this is like otherworldly secrets, and look, it's like coming through that portal. Wow, that's, to me, that is still, an answer to the first, about is it a portal to another dimension, coming from another dimension, and ancient secrets. Look at that. And the hermit is like an ancient, like an old guy usually, but that could be an ancient alien there, and that could be all the secrets. Look at that. That book is like a book of secrets. There's some writing right there. Yeah, it's ancient secrets are encoded in that. Oh, wow. Okay, so are ley lines amplified during the winter solstice, creating supernatural hotspots? Let's ask about the ley lines. Are they amplified during the winter solstice, creating supernatural hotspots? Whoa! I would say so. Look at that. That is the star. And that is hope and healing, but this is coming from another world. And I would say that yes, because that's a major arcana too. So you have two major arcana, the alien and the star. And that is, I would say, ley lines are amplified during the winter solstice. Wow. And look at all that, the lightning coming from, and that would be power. And so to me, look at that, the lightning going to the ground, and you can see those hands and stuff reaching up. That would be, to me, yeah, creating supernatural hotspots. Whoa. That's amazing. And I want to ask this now. We went, was it a year ago or so? We went to the Shakespeare birthplace, and they had a winter's evening. They told us all about what they used to do at Christmas time, that they would tell ghost stories, because, they really believe that demons and dark spirits ruled the darkness, and they were really afraid because they didn't have the lights outside. So I'm going to ask, do dark spirits or entities roam the longest night of the year? Okay, guys, I'm so glad you're here. I always say that because this way I don't have to be alone. So, do dark spirits or entities roam the longest night of the year? Whoa. That is the Eight of Pentacles, and it's upright. I would say yes, that is a working card. Maybe that's when they work the hardest. That is a hard at work card. Wow. And it's upright. Whoa. So do dark spirits or entities roam the longest night of the year? Yes, I would say so. And look, they come through portals as well. Whoa. Okay. So what is the meaning behind the mysterious lights and UFO sightings on the winter solstice? What is the meaning behind all of that, please? Oh, the tower. Oh my goodness. That's not a good, that's usually like the hand of God. But what is the meaning behind mysterious lights and UFO sightings on the winter solstice? Is that a warning for us? Or, this could be with that tower. It could even be like cosmic shifts or even breaking through dimensional, that is what I'm thinking. Breaking through the dimensional boundaries. Breaking through the portals. That's to me what the meaning is behind those mysterious lights. You know how you break the sound barrier? I think that they break through into this world through a portal, and then we see all the lights and stuff. I also want to ask about the later. I might ask that with the pendulum, but I'll ask about the UFOs in a minute. So, does the winter solstice signify a reset or a shift in our reality? Does the winter solstice, the hanged man, is seeing things from a different perspective? And I would say, yeah, because this is like, sometimes it's stagnant energy, but he is turned upside down to try to see the world from a different angle, so I would say, yes, it's a shift in our reality. It's a reset. Wow, we'll have to keep an eye on that, guys. So when the winter solstice comes, we'll have to see if we recognize any strange things happening. Okay, I reached in, and Esme was the one that wanted to come and talk to us today. So I'm just asking about the winter solstice. So, Esme, are winter solstice portals real? Are you serious? Whoa, that is going straight to yes. Oh my goodness. Do they open during the winter solstice? Do these portals open then? Wow. Yes, that is crazy. Do ley lines enhance spiritual or supernatural activity on the solstice, please? And that's going to yes, guys. Okay. Is the wild hunt similar phenomena linked to the winter solstice? Is the wild hunt linked to the winter solstice? And that is going to yes. That's going to yes. So are UFOs drawn to the energy of the winter solstice, please? Because a lot of people see weird lights and UFOs at that time. So are UFOs more drawn to the energy of the winter solstice, please? And that's going to yes. Okay, guys. Wow, I had no idea about that. Thank you, my lovely friends, for joining me on this strange, mystical journey through the winter solstice mysteries. So if you enjoyed today's tale, please hit the like button, the subscribe, and notification bell. Stay strange and stay curious, my friends, and I will see you on the next one.